How to fix Play Store payment method problem in less than 1 minute. On this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks, and now you have to enable the airplane mode and disable it, and then go back, open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone and also the apps that you have downloaded. So search for Google Play Store right here and then click on it like this. After you click on it, now all what you want to do is very simple and easy. Just click on the force stop and then click on the storage, click on clear data, and now all what you have to do is just reopen Play Store and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.